Welcome gang, Sky Pilot here. It's JJRC H48 giveaway time. If you're one of the 30 odd people that chucked in a number on my JJRC giveaway comp that I ran a week ago, check the video up the screen here. I'm now going to spin the wheel and I'm going to pick a winner. Well, my phone's going to pick a winner anyway. So if you haven't checked the video, check up on the screen there. This is the little JJRC H48. It's a bit of an indoor drone. It has infrared technology for controlling. So what do you get if you win this? Original packaging, of course. You get the drone. You get one battery. You get some props. This has only been flown once, guys, so she's pretty much brand new. Nothing wrong with it at all. Even the remote comes with batteries. The remote control unit. And of course, yeah, you get your menu. So it's basically a factory item. So let's crack on in. And let's get that wheel spinning. And let's see who is going to be the winner of the JJRC H48.
Don't stop now. You're reaching for a distant star. Don't stop now. Isn't it strange how we're safe and home? Sitting and counting days until a second call. If you're gonna make a change, you have to let me know. Turn this shit around, start to top the notes. It's all you need to do.
Okay, so in the interest of fairness, I will spin the wheel here in front of us, and I'll also stick a larger version up on the screen. I punched in all the numbers, everybody who put their number in the description as requested, so everybody's number's in there. I'll hit the spin button, and where it lands, that's the winner, and we shall see who it is. So good luck everyone, and it's time to spin the wheel. Here's RC H48, and the winner is number 18, 1-8. Well, congratulations number 18, you are the winner of the JJRC H48 drone. So this entire package I'll send your way. Send me an email. In the description you'll see my email address. Yeah, say good day. She's coming your way. Well done. Good stuff. Thanks to everybody who entered. That's really cool. Really happy to get the response. So I will be giving away another drone shortly. I actually think it's going to be the 520 is going to be my next giveaway. So certainly smash that bell and get notified of that giveaway when it's coming up sometime in the next 7 days. So stay tuned for that. So I'll just go forward and see who the actual winner is. So stand by. So I'm just going through the comments here and looking at the numbers, and we're looking for lucky number 18. So where are you, number 18? Okay, found you already. No drama. So we're looking at the Craft King. So Craft King, congratulations, you are the winner of my JJRC giveaway. So top stuff, congrats Craft King, you are the proud winner of my JJRC giveaway. High five. Coming your way soon, top of the comment, and let's get in touch and let's get this thing in the sky so I can send it your way. Awesome. Thanks for entering my comp again. As I said, smash that bell and get notified of some new videos coming up, and some new giveaways coming up, including the E520. Great stuff. Okay. See you in the sky. Congrats.